Hello student, today we will discuss garbage in garbage out part 3 video. In this lecture we will discuss about inclinations. We already study about the garbage. If you see in the grounds or on the roadsides, many dry leaves present or garbage waste material. When we burn dry leaves, this process is called incinerations. Burning of dry leaves, this process is called incinerations. During burning, lot of gases are released. These gases are generally carbon dioxides and carbon monoxides. Carbon monoxide gas is very poison. It affect our environment. It affect our environment and causes respiration problem. According to the municipal committee data, they survey data, they say 72% of garbage present in the landfill area. लैंडफिल एरिया बेटा जो गार्बेज प्रेजेंट ना 72% प्रेजेंट इन ओपन एरिया, उनमें से 19% कन्वर्ट इनटू कंपोस्ट। उनमें से जो हमारा बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल होता है ना, बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ वर्मी कंपोस्ट, इसे खाद में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है 90% गार्बेज को, और 9% जो हमारा गार्बेज होता है उसे हम बर्न किया जाता है बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंक्रीनेशंस। ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ बर्निंग दे अफेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट। We can, by the process of inclination, they affect our environment. We can reduce by method of the 3R. 3R means reduce, reuse and recycles of waste material. Reduce means we have reduce the waste material throw outsides. And reuse means we can reuse the waste material again and again if as soon as possible to minimize the garbage. तो जैसे कंप्यूटर, क्लोथ, फर्नीचर्स, मैनी आइटम्स you can reuse again and again to reduce the garbage. Third process is recycle. You can just recycle the waste material as such possible. जैसे प्लास्टिक बोटल्स, you buy plastic cold drink bottles, you can throw outsides. They affect on the our environment because plastic is a non-biodegradable. You can reuse again and again. You can use for water, plastic bottle for a water. You can reduce the garbage. Okay, if you student any doubt, ask me anytime.